Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's Retford, and today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Weinsberg Caravan 550 UK. So a 6-berth Caravan, 8 foot wide. It's got a French bed to the rear and also bunk beds to the rear with a full seating area at the front. Now we'll have a look at the front of the Caravan to start off with. You've got the notch chassis there with an integrated stabiliser, your handbrake and your jockey wheel. Nice large gas looker at the front here, and I'll just show you that as I lift up. You've got your alloy spare wheel in there, space for 2 gas bottles, grey wastewater, some chocks and also a winding handle. So full up, this Caravan weighs 1700 kilos and there's a really good payload with the Caravan as well. So coming round to the offside of the Caravan, you've got a bit of space here where you can get directly under the front seats of the Caravan as a little bit of storage space. Got your living room window just there, LED awning light up above with a one-piece door. Got your alloy wheels, vents for your fridge. As you can see from the space with those vents there, there's going to be a tall fridge inside. You've got an inlet there, that's for your mains power. And then there is a window to the back where the bunks are. So it is a drop-down bunk feature. They're not fixed bunks, so it's like a dinette seating area with a drop-down bunk, but we'll see when we go in. So around to the back of the Caravan now. Never normally too much to say, but you've got your lights and your grab handles. To the near side, bedroom window just there. The space there for your Dometic toilet cassette. There's no separate fill for the flush, and that's because there is an onboard water tank. Frosted window for the wet room. Kitchen window. And then another living space window there, mirroring the one on the offside. Inlet there for your water. And it's just a cap. That brings us back round to the front. So we'll jump in now and take a good look round. So there will be carpets with the Caravan, and they are like a brown colour. So we'll have a good look at the front first. So you've got the wraparound seating option just here. Freestanding table. Bit of shelving there at the front. And the nice design on the net curtains that go the whole way round. All of the windows are fitted with fly screens and blackout blinds. Some more storage space there in the cabinetry up above, and then plenty of storage space under the seats as well. You've got a handy plug socket just there, and there is a couple of spotlights as well. Big bright LED just here, next to the Hecky roof light. You've got vents dotting around, all the way around the Caravan, so that's because it's got the Truma hot air heating system as well, so it'll keep the Caravan nice and warm. So kitchen worktop space here with a 3 gas burner, nice deep sink with a mixer tap. And you've also got a bit of extra shelving here, which lifts up to create a bit of extra worktop space. Storage space there up and above with a couple of LED lights and 3 huge wide drawers with a bit more storage on there to the left. Opposite that, you've got some shelving just here and a bit more storage space as we look in there. Place to hang up your coats just here. And you've got your control system just on here with your ultra heat, so that's for your hot water. And that's all controlled from that little dial just there. So next to that, you've got a tall fridge, slimline fridge. Open that up, you can have a good look at the size. So 6-berth Caravan, you want a nice big fridge, and then there is a freezer box at the top there. That is removable, so you can have a bit of extra fridge space if you want to. Same again with storage. There is storage absolutely everywhere in this Caravan. So there's some down there, and there's some up there. And then you've got a massive wardrobe. So we'll get that one open. You can see in there. And then you've got the heater just down here. And then opposite this, we have got the wet room. So it's all integrated. Nice and compact. So you've got your shower tray here. Dometic toilet there. It will indicate when the toilet's full for you. Some storage space there up above. A couple of spotlights there as well. And then you've got a mixer tap. And that is also to be used as your shower head. So you'll pull that up to there. Got a mirror on the right hand side as well, and as I close the door there is a mirror just here, so you're going to see me. Hello. And then right, so we'll have a look at the back now, the exciting bit. So you've got the French bed here, nice and spacious, memory foam mattress, and it is split as well, and that's because when you lift up the bed it's also split. Plenty of storage space there up above, and you're going to find plenty of storage space underneath that bed as well. A little cupboard there to the left-hand side. So that sort of creates a partition, if you like, between the bunk beds and the French bed. But here we've got a side dinette, so that turns into a single bed. And then we have a bunk up there. It's you know, makes it look like it's a cupboard. But if I was to open up one of these, it is not. It is part of the bunk. So it gives the impression that it's just, it's not a bunk at all, actually. It's quite clever. But that does drop down and creates a top bunk bed. So a little bit of shelving just there, and then you've got some spotlights again just going round. So there we have it. That's the 2023 Weinsberg Caravan 550 UK. Really spacious caravan, great for families. You know, it's got everything you need. You've got a separate seating area to your living space. You've got bunk beds. You've got French bed. All the amenities that you need inside the caravan. So it really is a great value for money for a brand new caravan. So any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name's Christian and it's 01777 838 193. Alternatively, drop me a line on an email. It's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. Or you can pop in. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday 9 till 5, and then on Sunday 10 till 4. But thanks a lot for watching.